peeps. Hey, Bet. Want to hear a joke? Sure. Why did the chicken cross the road? Oh, I know this one. To get to the other side. Aw, you've heard that one before? Yeah, sorry, Bet. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, bye. I've got another joke. Are you ready? Why did the bubblegum cross the road? I don't know. Why did the bubblegum cross the road? It was stuck to the chicken's foot. That's good. Oh, you like that one? I'm gonna think of another one. I'll be back. Good luck. Can I tell you another joke? Absolutely. Okay. Well, why did the $100 note cross the road? I don't know. Why did the $100 note cross the... Oh, wait, it was stuck to the bubblegum. Oh? Have you heard that one before? I thought I made it up. No, it was just a lucky guess. Okay. I'm going to think of one more. Okay. I've got one more joke for you. Let's hear it. Why did the angry man cross the road? Angry man? I don't know. Why did the angry man cross the road? He was trying to get his $100 back.
Hey everybody, it's your favorite clown Clocko here. If you had fun, please hit the like button. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel. There's so much fun and games waiting for you. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out when we learn and play right here in Clocko's Curiosity Corner. Thanks for coming!